We had a little problem with my 1913 Douglas a week or so ago. It has a clutch, a cone clutch, and a kickstart on it, which is unusual for a 1913. It was actually one of the models. Anyway, as you can see, there's a little pedal here that engages and disengages. As you push the clutch in, this little bit here, this wedge pushes this fulcrum out, pushes that in, and pushes the rod in for the cone clutch. The problem that we had was the gear here and the quadrant weren't really mating up. They were wobbling about. But as you can see now, beautifully fixed by a very good friend of mine last weekend. So we're now ready for Where is Anna? We'll see if we can start it.